Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi everyone, I am Pamela Goldstone from a company called the A-myl Fresh Produce. It is formed of 5 ladies. We are all farmers. We are based at Savannah Park, close to Marion Hill. What motivated us to start a business was that all of us as farmers, and we had studied farming. We just saw it fit that we utilize what we had learned in theory to put it to practice in soil. Products that we offer fruits, we offer veggies. We also offer processed chilies. I would say it's best to buy our product because most of them they're freshly picked, as we plant most of our produce, and they're also fresh, healthy. You can get in touch with us through our Facebook page, which is called A-myl Fresh Produce. Our contact number that you can use 081 789 1741. Hi, my name is Pamela. I am a township entrepreneur.